Not sure about how the reviews are marked. Item does as expected and has a substantial feel. I've been using this converter for about 2 weeks and it works great. I have it connected to my Samsung TV and my NAD C388 for HDMI to Coax. I also use it to connect my Apple AirPort Express from Optical to Coax. Since my NAD does not have HDMI connections on it, this makes it perfect for my setup to get high quality audio from my TV. I tried cranking up my NAD and I don't hear any hiss coming from this device, just clear audio. Very nice converter, I must add. I have a TV with one optic audio output. I needed to connect that to a soundbar for the excellent sound that my wife claimed it delivered, and to a converter that delivered the sound to a wireless headphone for my less than stellar hearing. We used the Toslink splitter for 6 months. That worked well until the first electrical storm of the summer season, and then didn't work at all. I replaced the splitter twice but they wouldn't work. It seemed that I might need something with power to it to drive the second device. When the converter arrived, I carefully set the input switch to T, plugged in the power and both optical cables, and turned the TV on. Success! Sound came from both the soundbar and the headphones. We have gone through 2 storms and it still works. I use mine to play Amazon Music HD, from my Xbox One S, to my LG TV, to my vintage stereo for 2-channel listening. Works great. Make sure you change your audio output on your TV from bitrate to PCM or you will get nothing but loud static. I also use a 348 kHz/32-bit Bluetooth streaming device by Bluedindo, and the sound quality of this MIPIN converter is comparable. Only downside I can come up with is, no remote control. If it had a decent remote control, I would give it a perfect score. I am using this device to connect an OWC Thunderbolt 3 DAC, Toslink output, to a set of speakers that uses a 3.5mm stereo jack. I tried 2 other converters, both of which had a loud background hiss or hum, and at least one of which reversed the left and right stereo channels, before giving this one a try. Unlike the others, this one worked just fine. There is no background noise, the stereo is correct, and it connects and works well. The included optical cable works fine. I bought this to send sound from my Samsung Smart TV to both my Sennheiser wireless earphones, RCA, and my soundbar, Optical. Worked fine after I restarted everything. Nice to be able to hear the TV without annoying my girlfriend. Thank you, this is exactly what I needed. Used it for hooking up surround sound to my TV. My Optical wasn't working, so this was the only thing that would work. Was shipped out very fast and has the power supply with it. Easy to install and works fine. I just hooked up this unit between a new Sony OLED TV and my NAD C372 integrated amplifier. Now TV comes through my speakers in my system and sounds fantastic. Be sure to change your TV sound setting to LPCM or stereo sound option. If you don't, you will get a popping or crackling sound. Once the TV. I would highly recommend this unit to anyone who wants to run their new TV through their old sound systems. Click link in description for more reviews.